So I'm going to do number 7 of the independent practice from lesson 3.8. I'm going to put this into standard form. I'm going to move this 11x and this negative 11 over, so I get 10x squared minus 11x plus 11 equals 0. Let's go ahead and identify my A. A is 10, B is negative 11, and C is 11. And I'm going to substitute it into the quadratic formula, which is x equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, so that's negative 11 plus or minus the square root of negative 11 squared minus 4 times 10 times 11 over, oh my goodness, I keep on saying 2ac. Why? I don't know why. 2 times 10. So a negative and a negative is a positive, plus or minus the square root of 11. Negative 11 squared is 121, positive 121. This is why right here I put this inside of the parentheses, guys, because if you put negative 11 squared, you'll get negative 121 and you'll get it wrong. Okay, so we have a negative and a positive and a positive. So that gives me a negative. So 4 times 10 is 40, and then times 11 is 40 times 11 is 440 over 20. Okay, so 11 plus or minus 121 minus 440 is square root of negative 319 over 20. Okay, let's go ahead and separate out the negative 1 times 319 over 20. So we have x equals 11 plus or minus I to the square root of 319 over 20. If I try to take something out of 319, let's try to take out, let's see, no, 3 doesn't work. 319 divided by 4 doesn't work. 319 divided by 5 is definitely not going to work. 6 is not going to work. 319 divided by 7 is not going to work. 319 divided by, I like to try primes. 300, yeah, 11. 11 and 29. Okay, and 29 is a prime. So these are made up of prime numbers. So it's not going to, nothing's going to be able to come out. Nothing. Yay! And so our final answer is this. Now, guys, on the test, I probably am not going to give you such a large factor that is prime. Now, I'm not going to have you spend too much time on trying to find out factors of large numbers, okay? But this is the right answer, and we got it. And it's orange because it was Halloween. So I'm going to draw a pumpkin like this with the stripe, pumpkin. Like that. Ha ha ha. It's a pumpkin. Okay. Bye.